Why did you click on this video? And what are you doing wrong in Premium Pro that no one is talking about? There are many things we editors are doing wrong when editing our videos or client videos. Well, today let's talk about those 3 basic mistakes you all are making while editing your video. The first thing you're probably doing wrong is not utilizing the Save Effect preset. How this effect is useful, check this out. Let's say when you edit, you uses the same effect, whether that be same LUT, the same transition, and for audios maybe you usually use the same audio effect as well. Instead of having the individual track every effect that you usually use when you start a new project, select all the effect in the effect control, hold the control button and select and right click, save preset. And then in the effect tab under preset you can use the preset. Like I use pop-in text in my video many times, so I made a preset and simply drag this preset in the text, and trust me, this is a huge time saver. The second thing you probably doing wrong is not utilizing the keyboard shortcut, which helps you to speed up your editing in Premium Pro. The way I vastly reduce my time is using the keyboard shortcut. Any editing software have keyboard shortcut. And when you open this, you're probably thinking how I memorize this. Well, you don't have to memorize all the shortcut. Just simply hit the Q button on the keyboard, which trim the video to the left and W to the right. C for cut, V for select. Use Alt plus drag to duplicate the clip. Hit enter to render and many other shortcuts. And trust me, if you know few of this, editing will become far more quicker. The third thing you might doing wrong is adjusting audio in wrong way. Let's say when you use music in your audio that will define the story of the video, and the music was placed in a track and you want to set the music volume to -20 dB. Instead of selecting each music clip in a track and reduce their volume one by one, you can directly go to the audio track mixture and go to the windows and select audio track mixture and select your music audio track. For me it's in track 5, and reduce the volume of whole track, whatever suits you. And this is a huge time saver for all of us, and trust me, it's working. But one of the most important thing you need to understand if you want to grow your influence in social media, you need to start creating the short form vertical video. And in this video here I will show you that how you can create a vertical video with simple and easy way. Bye bye guys.